when there's a street lights, it's a 30.
Yeah.
Okay. And when there's no street lights, go on. Yeah.
60.
60.
Yeah,
Double the
60.
speed limits.
Yeah.
Who use the brown sign?
Oh, that's for like tourist destinations and stuff.
That's the theory talking. Okay. Let's test your theory knowledge again then. 60 miles per hour.
I'm not sure actually.
Okay, so this is the time we follow another pattern. So
Okay.
this pattern was from 5 to 50 was with the signs and
Yeah.
traffic sign. From 60 onwards, we're looking for the single and dual carriageways.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, so what's the speed limit of single carriageway?
60.
Dual carriageway?
70, isn't it?
And motorway?
70.
70.
Yeah, 70.
Question would be there, how do you know which one is which? So how does a single carriageway look like? How does a dual carriageway look like?
Well, I'm not sure actually. I haven't been on one in a while.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
That's fine, but this is the time where we're going to go
Yeah.
with them, and we have to remember them in a pattern, a simpler way, so we can know when we go for next time.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So now let's have a look at the single carriageway. When you go to the single carriageway, you will see the two signs on the both sides of the road. We call this a gateway.
Yeah.
Okay, like two stamp and the two signs will be there. Some of the time with the lamppost, some of them with street sign,
Yeah.
something. Okay, but that means gateway for
Okay,
us.
wait,
okay?
yeah. Okay.
As we pass those single carriageway sign, there will be no more street lights.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so when there's a street lights, it's a 30.
Yeah.
Okay, and when there's no street lights, go on. Yeah.
60.
60.
Yeah,
Double the
60.
speed limits.
Yeah, double.
Okay, so when
Oh,
there's
okay.
street lights,
Where it's 30.
30, and no street lights?
60.
60.
Okay.
As you go past that one, you'll see the road is one going this way, another coming another way, and between the two of them, you have a white marking in the middle, like these roads.
Yeah.
Okay, so why this not 30? Why this not 60?
Because we have the lampposts.
Okay, we have the lamppost. Let's say we take the lamppost off, then.
It's not a dual carriageway.
So how do you know why this is not 60? There's no lamppost, no sign,
Yeah.
so why not 60? Because we have not seen the national speed limit signs
No
yet.
national speed limits. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so until we've not seen the national speed limit signs,
Don't go that
we are
fast.
not going up with the speed
Okay,
limits. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we see the national speed limit sign, we go into the road, there's a very narrow road, two road, they're both coming from each one directions, and there with the white marking in the middle. It's called single carriageway.
Yeah.
And that type of the road is the most dangerous type of the road because there's no street lights, road is narrow, high speed, we don't see rains, bad weather, it's just a disaster.
Okay.
And that's the road type of the road where we're going to go for today. Okay. However, dual carriageway is slightly better. Okay. How do you know what's the speed limit dual carriageway?
70.
How do you know what dual carriageway look like?
When you know you're coming in a dual carriageway, you have the gateway, the signs on each side. No lampposts.
Okay.
And the road markings will be 2 lanes. Or
Like 2 lane going this way, 2 lane coming that
Yeah,
way? Okay.
yeah.
Anything else?
I can't think of anything else.
Okay. No.
Oh, okay. That's fair enough.
Okay. So this is why we need to recorrect the
Yeah,
information. Okay. When you go for the dual carriageway, you're right. You'll see the additional speed limit signs.
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes we don't because we just continue from single carriageway to dual carriageway.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay. So that's why just like 60 and 70 man onwards. What makes a dual carriageway is a dual carriageway. It's what's happening in the middle. So on the single carriageway, you're going this way and the oncoming cars are coming. Between you two, you have a white marking in the middle.
Yeah.
But on the dual carriageway, you have a physical barrier in the middle.
Okay.
Okay, and that physical barrier can be
yeah.
metal barrier,
Yeah.
can be tree barrier, can be higher curb, whatever. It's something blocking you to go this way and them to come your way.
Yeah.
That makes a dual carriageway.
Okay.
Now, some people will guess say like dual carriageway is a 2 lane.
Yeah.
And I understand why they're getting confused because 80% of the dual carriageway are 2 lanes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But occasionally you will see some dual carriageway are 1 lane,
Do
some
have
come to
1
5
lanes.
lanes.
Okay.
Okay, so they're not dual carriageway anymore.
Well, they are, but
Okay.
yeah.
So why there's a 5 lane, why there's a 2 lane, why there's a 3 lane? Okay, so let me give you one example. That's just
Yeah.
with any lanes. There's nothing to do with our driving with the lanes, but how does a lane works? Let's say we are living in Southampton City, right? We have a small airport in here.
Yes.
So Southampton Eastleigh Airport, yeah. We also have one big airport in Heathrow.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me how many people we expect in a Eastleigh Airport and how many we expect in a Heathrow Airport?
Not a lot at Eastleigh and a lot at Heathrow.
Yeah, like maybe in hundreds over here, thousands
Yeah,
over there.
exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
In that ratio, if there's a dual carriageway design, there might be 4 or 5 lanes in a Heathrow, maybe 1 lane and 2 lanes in
Yeah,
here.
because you only need 1 here.
Exactly. So this is what you need to understand. The council decide how much traffic will be flow and how many lanes they would need to do.
Okay.
Nothing to do with your and my driving.
Yeah. Okay, it's just Just planning stuff. Okay.
Great. So clear so far?
Yes.
So we're in the dual carriageway and we see the barrier in the middle.
Yes.
Okay. Next questions. How do you know you're in a motorway?
I've never thought about that before.
Okay.
I don't
The
actually know
reason why
what
I'm asking that question because the motorway and dual carriageway look like a twins.
Yeah, they look very similar.
Okay, they're really similar, but the
Yeah.
parents know which one is which.
Yes.
Yeah. So therefore, you as a driver needs to know which one is which.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I can't remember.
Okay. When you go to the motorway, you will see all the signs are blue.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What color the dual carriageway sign you use?
It'd be the white and the black ones.
Green.
Green. Oh yeah, because it's primary
Okay.
routes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you look at the dual carriageway and motorway will have a service. Dual carriageway will have service. Motorway is a 70. Dual carriageway is 70. Motorway will have a slip road. Dual carriageway will have a slip road. Yeah. The motorway will have a barrier. Dual carriageway will have a barrier. Motor have a 3 lanes. Dual carriageway will have a 3 lanes.
Okay. Yeah.
So these are the reasons why they are very very identical and look like a twins. Okay. However, the major differences are. When you go for the dual carriageway, you will see traffic lights, junctions, right turning, roundabouts.
Okay.
Motorway will have none of these ones.
Yeah.
Okay? But the speeds are the same.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is why the dual carriageway is slightly safer than a single carriageway, but not the safe as the motorway.
No.
Okay? However, motorway is one of the safest road in the country.
Yeah.
But one thing goes wrong, it goes really badly.
Yeah.
Okay, like a plane, like when we fly with the plane is the safest way to travel.
Yeah,
But when this goes wrong, 300-400 people gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Doesn't make sense. So
Yeah.
this is what I mean by the motorway is the safest, but one thing goes wrong, it's very badly.
Goes
And
very
that
bad.
reason we also do the lessons on the motorway.
Yeah.
And that will be feature ones, okay?
Okay.
Recap them again. So what color the dual carriageway use?
Dual carriageway use green.
Motorway?
Blue.
Okay, who use yellow sign, white sign?
White signs is for non-primary.
Which is a single carriageway,
Yeah,
single routes,
single
or like
routes.
residential, other normal A routes or ring roads.
A roads and ring roads and stuff.
Yeah, similar.
Usually, yeah.
Who use the brown sign?
Oh, that's for like tourist destinations and stuff.
That's the theory talking. Okay. Let's test your theory knowledge again then. Who uses a yellow sign?
Oh.
Damn. Roadworks.
Oh yeah, of course. Oh, it's so easy when you say it. Of course, yellow's for roadworks.
Roadworks.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Who uses the red sign?
Red sign. Oh god, I've got no idea.
Just give you a clue. I just been there.
Oh, the speed limits.
Hospital.
Hospitals are
And emergencies.
Yes, emergencies. Okay.
Yeah.
These are very easy, but you
There you go.
forget
So
them.
these are the color codes what we use in the signs. Motorway.
Is blue.
Dual carriageway.
Is green.
Single carriageway.
Is black and white.
Tourist.
Brown.
Roadworks.
Red.
Roadworks.
Oh, sorry, yellow. Yeah.
And the roadworks.
The emergencies red.
Fine.
Yeah.
5 to 50 mile per hour sign.
Yes, sign, except for 30, which
30.
is lamppost.
60 mile per hour.
Is no lampposts.
And?
on a dual carriageway.
Single carriageway.
Oh, sorry, on a single carriageway.
And how do you use a dual carriageway?
Because a dual carriageway will have a physical barrier in the middle.
Good. Happy with this so far?
Yes.
Now the focusing on the lesson.
Yes.
Let the